Industries in India, 9th class, Social Bits. Major producer of the employment in the country is industry, service sector, agriculture. None of these. Correct answer, agriculture. The first oil mill was founded in this city: Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Bengaluru. Correct answer, Mumbai. The first cement plant in India was set up in 1908 in Chennai, 1904 in Chennai, 1908 in Mumbai, 1904 in Mumbai. Correct answer, 1904 in Chennai. Which raw material is required for cement industry? Aluminum, lead, zinc, limestone. Correct answer, limestone. Graphite is used in pencils, pens, slates, slate pencils. Correct answer, pencils. Which mineral is used in electronic industries? Gypsum, limestone, mica, bauxite. Correct answer, mica. Largest exporter of jute in the world is India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Italy. Correct answer, Bangladesh. Expand BPO, Business Promotion Organization, Business Process Outsourcing, Business Process Operations, Business Promotion Operation. Correct answer, Business Process Outsourcing. Leading jute producer in India is West Bengal, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. Correct answer, West Bengal. Which of the following is not agro-based industry? Cement, textile industry, sugar industry. None of these. Correct answer, cement. Which industry has experienced quantum jump in 15 years? Fertilizer, cement, chemical, automobile. Correct answer, automobile. In Dash India made new policy for industries? 1980s, 2000s, 2010s, 1990s. Correct answer, 1990s. India exports yarn to Bangladesh, Japan, Pakistan, USA. Correct answer, Japan. How many jute mills in India? 60, 80, 70, 90. Correct answer, 70. Which industry occupies unique position in Indian economy? Automobile, cement, fertilizer, textile. Correct answer, automobile. Identify the odd one. Spinning, smelting, ginning, weaving. Correct answer, smelting. Name the South Indian states famous for silk textile. Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Tripura. Correct answer Karnataka. India began many initiatives to promote industrial activities after 1957, 1967, 1937, 1947. Correct answer 1947. Yarn is obtained from paddy, sugarcane, cotton, all of these. Correct answer cotton. Since independence, the electricity production has increased dash times, 50 times, 100 times, 150 times, 200 times. Correct answer 100 times. India holds this rank among the world crude steel producers. First rank, third rank, fifth rank, ninth rank. Correct answer 9th rank. New industrial policy was announced in the year 1991, 1993, 1994, 1987. Correct answer 1991. Which goods are directly used by the people? Raw material, consumer goods, exported goods, imported goods. Correct answer consumer goods. Manganese is not available in Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Karnataka, Maharashtra. Correct answer Uttar Pradesh. Which minerals are available in Karnataka? Iron ore, manganese. A and B correct. None. Correct answer A and B correct. Bauxite is available at Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha. All are correct. Correct answer all are correct. When was first jute mill established in India? 1859, 1885, 1870, 1860. Correct answer 1859. The first jute mill in India was started Kolkata or Risha, Mumbai, Chennai, Tripura. Correct answer Kolkata. Where was the first cotton mill established? Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Bhopal. Correct answer Mumbai. Which country is the largest producer of jute in the world? India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal. Correct answer India. Which mineral is used to make aeroplanes? Aluminum, iron ore, manganese. None.